So a year ago, I had done a reading for a client, and one of the patterns was vow of poverty. It's difficult to tell people, you have a vow of poverty because, like, how does it relate to this life? Are you living under abject poverty? No. So, anyway, so when I told her, she says, no, my husband earns enough. So I said, okay, let it be. Now, a year from now, we were just talking because she referred me another client. Thank you so much. We were just talking and she said, you know what, I do so many things, I am not able to stick to one thing, and then I set up the things and other people earn money out of it. And I'm like, wow. Remember, vow of poverty, this is exactly what it is. In a religious organization, when you take a vow of poverty, you do not earn on your own, you take charity, you get charity. So now this birth, exactly this is what is happening. She does have a thing that she's running, or even if she was to run her own business and stick to one and get her things done, she will not be able to charge her real amount of money. She will always take in money that is just bare minimum, like charity. Now, this is what is exactly happening to her. Her vow will not let her set up businesses that she wants to set, businesses or business. It would not let it set up. And even if you did manage to set up, you'll not be able to charge your authentically right amount for the amount of energy, time spent. That's a vow of poverty. So what do you do with it? Well, you have to do the exact opposite of it. One, of course, I will do the clearing in the Akashic record. Two, because we are in the three-dimensional world, we have to take action. And so there are steps to taking action. There is a way to reach your goal. Check. If you want to know, you have a vow of poverty, I hope not. But if you do, and if you feel like you're struggling, with charging the right amount or being able to earn money, then do DM me and I will check it for you.